Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a flow in Power Automate. When you first create a flow in Power Automate, you first need to decide what will start it. There are three main types that you will use. You will have automated flows that are triggered by an event, like for example, an email arriving or file being added to a folder. You have your instant flows. These are started manually by you with the click of the button on your phone or desktop. And you also have your scheduled flows, which run at a specific time, like every day at 9 a.m. For this tutorial, we're going to build the most common type, which is an automated flow. We are going to build a real workflow that is going to automatically save invoice attachment from a specific sender to a OneDrive folder. We're going to start by clicking on the Create Folder here, the Create menu in Power Automate, and then we're just going to click on Automated Cloud Flow here, okay? Now I'm just going to select a trigger, which is going to be, I'm going to search for basically when a new, and let's also add email, when a new email arrives, okay? And we're going to click on V3 because I'm using Office 365 Outlook, okay? Not this version in here. This is the most modern, and this is what I actually recommend. Now I'm also going to give this a name, which is going to be Save Outlook Attachments to OneDrive, and I'm going to click on Create in here. Now, after I click on Create, the Power Automate editor is going to basically open. Here we go. So here we have basically our trigger. Okay, amazing. Now, if I click in here, what's going to happen is that the advanced options are going to open. Okay. In the advanced parameter options, we have different parameters such as to, CC, from, so on and so on. I selected from here, and here I can add basically the email or the person that I'm considering for this particular workflow, meaning the sender. Okay, so when this person sends an invoice, this workflow is going to detect it as a trigger. Okay, so here you must add the person that you're considering here. What you also have to do is you have to, include attachments in here because this is part of our workflow. Okay, we need to share the attachments and we need to include attachments. So just click this in here, guys. And yes, switch this option, this include attachment to yes. Okay. You can also add like a subject filter. That's gonna be important. For example, we can add the subject filter to be invoice. Okay, so you can ask this particular sender to always include this word in this email subject. Okay, so that this trigger works automatically, and it's only going to filter this kind of emails with this subject word. Now, once that's ready, we must click on this plus tab in here to add a new step. And we're just going to click on, OneDrive. And we're going to click on basically create file. We're going to search for this option in here. There we go. OneDrive, create file. Now you basically have to sign into your account, which I'm not going to do at the moment. Now, guys, you have to make sure that you have created a folder in OneDrive, okay? So you can search for it in here. That's very important, okay? Make sure that you have created a folder in your OneDrive account. Now, in the file name, what are we going to do is we're going to click on this dynamic content here, and we're going to grab the attachment's name of the previous attachment here. In the file content, I'm going to do basically the same. I'm going to grab the attachment. In this case, I'm just going to go to dynamic content, attachment content, okay? And that's going to be it. And now the flow is going to be pretty much completed, guys. When a new email arrives, it's going to do basically, it's going to open this OneDrive folder in here, and it's going to create a file with, the attachment content and the attachment's name as a file name, okay? Oh, by the way, guys, make sure that you actually get this step in here and you connect to your account. Okay, it says change connection. It says not connected. You have to connect your, account in Outlook. Okay, that's very important. After you do this, you can just click on save and you can test it. Okay, with a real world email or a real case email, and to see if it works. Okay, and then it's going to be public. So that's basically how you create a simple but powerful automation in Power Automate. Okay. So that when you receive an email from a specific sender that has a certain subject, in this case, is the word invoice, and it has an attachment, you're basically going to create a file in a specific OneDrive folder with that specific attachment file and that file, that attachment name. Okay. And that's going to be automated so you don't have to do anything. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.